there's a bird on the bird feeder. No, it flew away. But can you hear it? The leaves are so pretty on the tree. Okay, now I'm going to show you my whole backyard. So that's my forsythia bush. Let's get closer. This is my forsythia bush. And now we are going to look at these. These are called bleeding hearts. Okay, and now that's my big purple bottle. And this is, I have no idea, hostas. Yeah, that's a tree. Those are stones. That's tulip plant, I think. Here's some, my favorite. Well, these are my favorite color, my favorite. But I like this one over here better. Well, look at these. There's tulip, 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 tulip. But this is my favorite one.